Hey guys, this is Zach at Dreamedia. Just arrived on site at another theater room project we're going to be doing today here in Prosper, Texas. We're going to be using the Episode Signature Series in-wall system. You can see we have our 1500T 6-inch in ceilings, as well as our 1500 series LCR and our 1500 series 6-inch in-wall surrounds. We're gonna have to relocate the wiring. They were wired for towers. He wants them in wall, so we're gonna pull these terminations up there. That other termination up here. And you can see the center actually is gonna have to go in the console because of the stud positioning. And we're gonna be using the 700 LCR, which is gonna go right in this console here. We're gonna do a little rewiring as well. The room was wired kind of funky. We got surrounds right in the middle of the room, and then the surround rears in the ceiling, which this customer wants to push his seating back further so he can fit 2 rows. So we're gonna be utilizing the 1500 in ceilings here, and then we're gonna put new wiring in the back for the 1500 in-wall surrounds. As far as projection, we're using the Screen Innovation Zero Edge Black Diamond screen and the Epson 5040 to project onto that. Send a video upload after this is completed. This is the Screen Innovation Zero Edge Black Diamond screen with the Episode 1500 series speakers installed. We're using the triple firing sub from Episode, and you can see we got our WattBot surge protector on there. Epson 5040 here in the rear of the room with our overhead Atmos speakers, again Episode 1500Ts, and then in our rears for the surrounds we got the 1500Ts.
700 series center speaker.
Oh, yes, and the 700 series Episode speaker. We're powering all this up through a Denon X20 400H receiver.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I got spent way too long in the phone booth. If I'm being honest with myself, I probably should have just called 911.
Well, that matters now. Sorry, you're both missing a real point here.
The fuck is a phone booth doing on a street corner?